Hi, we're Darren and Trish, and we've teamed up today to bring you number 12 Claremont Avenue in Paeroa.
This is a great family home, a solid investment opportunity and a potential home and income.
Trish, why don't you show us around?
Sure. The first floor living includes covered entry and sunroom leading to the lounge and dining area, which is connected directly to the kitchen. You'll love the timber floors. The kitchen boasts a bay window and leads to the separate laundry and access to the outdoor entertaining area.
Off the central hallway is the family bathroom and separate toilet. 3 generous double bedrooms plus study, which could be converted to an ensuite, complement the rest of the upstairs. At ground level is an independent living area, kitchenette, bedroom, toilet and shower with its own independent access and car parking area.
The huge triple garage and workshop with extra high stud is perfect for the car enthusiast, hobbyist, your home business and storage. The home sits on a tiered landscape yard with lots of spots for entertaining or just relaxing. Okay, this place has a massive tiered landscape garden with lots of fruit trees. Look at the bounty.
The motivated vendor plans to sell his treasure as he's purchased and is ready to build. The property will benefit from some cosmetic maintenance and your personal touch. This property is available as vacant possession or keep the current tenants who come with excellent references.
And as if this investment wasn't big enough, you could put a studio potentially right where we're standing.
We're Trish O'Grady and Darren Perry from First National. Why don't you give one of us a ring?